Cheese. Okay, puppies. There's a video of you and cheese to say nie. Dit is continuous. Okay, so kyk vir die camera. Say hello vir almal.
Hello.
Hi there, guys. You are joining me and my son. What's your name?
Joseph.
My son Joseph. We're in the back of my bucky, and we are going to do a bit of work on my draw system. When I initially had the draw system installed, there was a cover that was fabricated due to the RSI smart canopy. They had to custom fabricate some of the panels, and one of them didn't fit on the installation day, so they have remade it. So the plan is, see the big hole there? We're going to replace that hole with the panel that Joseph is sitting on here. It shouldn't take long, it should only be a few minutes, but at the same time I will take some measurements of the gap. Poepies, kan jy gou in die kant toe skuif? Moenie daarop staan nie, moenie daarop staan nie. Sy, kom sit hierso. Sy. Over there, over here, is a storage bin that I'm hoping the joys of children, eh? That I'm hoping a battery will fit in, so I'll just need to get the measurements of that and then look for a suitably sized battery to put in there. But yeah, let's crack on and get it fitted. Oh yeah, this is the new part now that Joseph's not sitting on it. It's got the cover that'll fit over there, and then it just makes all of this space a little bit more useful, and stuff won't fall into the back. When it's out there, it's got a cutout for, because I've got a 12-volt power socket there, so I can still use that, and I'm hoping to use that as well for when I eventually get a DC charger fitted. So yeah, further ado, let's crack on. So you join me here at the bottom corner of my system. You can see this bracket here, that's keeping the canopy, and it uses the original fitting points of the bucky itself. But this cutout there, that was the problem, and that had to be made deeper, but they've added this rubber fitting here. On the other side, you can see that they've removed that bit, so I think I'm just going to cut that side off like that as well, and hopefully the metal won't interfere, because currently it doesn't fit. Just put you back there. Yeah, so currently it doesn't fit with that piece of rubber, so the plan is to cut it there, and then hopefully that won't interfere, because there's just not enough play for that rubber. It's completely compressed to go all the way in, and none of the points line up. Hello and welcome to my garage. So the problem is this bit here of that cutout. So they extended the original one. I don't know by how much, but it needs to come out to about there, I think. So the bracket itself is, so I made marks while it was in there, is about 4 millimeters wide. Yeah, about 4 mils wide on the that's the bracket that holds the canopy to the tub. So the thinking is to probably use a 6mm drill bit, drill a hole there, square it off at the front, so it's rounded here, do the same over here, remove that, do the same 6mm hole pretty much basically cut away that whole corner there. I could just, might just be easiest to cut that at an angle and then just be done with it. You know what? I am going to do that. I'm just going to get the Dremel out, cut that at an angle, drill that hole. Bob's your uncle, Fanny's your aunt, and then this should go in, hopefully without a problem. So let's see. So this is where we are. I've cut out the radius there. I've cut out the corner bit there. That should fit in nicely now. Give me loads of space to work with. I've also cut off this rubber piece and put it in between there, and hopefully that'll sit in between, because it's a U-bend form in the back of the bucky. So let's put the what's the door unit back in and go and see if it fits. See you in the back of the bucky next. Okay, so there we go, it's all in, as you can see, opens and shuts. So let me show you what we've done. You can see there's the cutout there, like I overdid it, but hey. And then the corner cutout there, there's at least 2 mil in between the gaps. But now, it's all covered up, nothing can fall in. Joseph's having a look. What's in the hole, puppies? Wat's daar so in die gat? Kan jy daar sien? Wat's in die gat?
I don't know.
Dit is waar papa die 12 volt krag van die bakkie af kry. Anyway, for those English amongst you, that is where the 12 volt plug sits, just down there. It's a bit dark in there, so you can't see. Just still gives me access to it. There's obviously loads of space for activities under there, so I'm thinking of putting in, especially, it's open at the back over there completely. There's a, Poepies, kan jy gou jou hand daar agter indruk? Kyk hoe diep jy jou hand daar kan indruk. So my son is just going to show you, there's a big hole back there, and it goes all the way in, and all of that's empty.
I can't do it.
You can't do it?
No.
Yeah.
But I can there.
The plan is to try and find a battery that fits in there. Put the DC chargers and battery monitors and electronics in there. Dressed for the show. What show are you going to do? An acrobat show.
It's an acrobat show.
Good job. So yeah, I hope you like that. Next steps really is to sort the drawers out itself, make sure we have everything packed that we need and want. We've got quite a lot of space with all the cutlery and crockery in here, including the cooker. There's quite a lot of other space available for other things. Where I'm sitting currently is where the fridge will be, so I need to wire this up and then we can go. And I'm also thinking of getting some more lighting in here. Nothing major because we don't live in here, just to light it up when we are at the campsite. Probably get some of those LED stick-on M3 with the M3 tape, stick them onto the
And
roof.
then we sleep on top of the roof.
Sleep on top of the roof? In
Yes,
what?
we do in the rooftop tent.
In die rooftop tent?
Yes.
Okay. Is dit lekker om in die tent te slaap?
Yes. I really like the Gearmate. I really do.
Good job, high five. Okay, say bye mense.
Bye.